I want to give you all a summary on how to move in the market for the next little bit. I think it's clear, it's been clear in the past few weeks that right now is to kind of change the way we trade. So I brought this up last week, but right now it is more about taking quick trades. So quick trades might mean many trades, like more than you usually take. Many trades, quick. Meaning this is not the period to buy a dip and hold it for parabolic moves, because that's not what the market has been giving us. And I hope you remember at the beginning of the call, I brought your attention onto the others chart and total 3 and how bad it's doing. And I said, hey, maybe let's stay out of alts for now, just for now. And for any trades you do get in, probably going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Binance, Monero. Those ones you might want to take quick trades. So maybe it's as low as 10%. Maybe you're happy with that, but you can take 10, 15, 20% trades because that's what the market is giving us right now. It's not giving us the 30, 40%. It's not like back here where it gave us 25%. Right now it's doing pretty small moves. So here's 6%. You can decide whether that is worth your time for that risk reward. This one moved up. Oh, actually down here, only 4% from entry. So that's what the market is giving us right now. So we need to adapt to the market. Trade management is we're always going to trade the same, like how we enter and stuff, but your trade management, if you're wise, it will change based on how the market is moving. So when the market is trending and trending and trending, yeah, you probably want to keep trades open for a long time. Maybe you bulletproof it, move your stops up, and you just keep moving your stops up and profit. Other times like now when there's a lot of uncertainty in the market and technical analysis is still working, it's still showing rejections, and it's still moving in line with price and candlestick patterns, but the profits just aren't stretching, like they're not trending. It's only giving you a few percent, less than 10% before correcting. Like the impulses aren't long enough and it's not trending over time. Then these are the times you want to adapt to the current market and just really take quick in and out trades. And this is also the time it's best to bulletproof your trades once it moves like 10% in profit. Once your trade moves 20% in profit, you really want to bulletproof that just in case it turns around in the next day or so. Rule of thumb there, always give your trade at least 10% to breathe. So if it's up 20% in profit, you don't want to move your stops higher than 10% in profit because the difference between 20 and 10 is 10 and you don't want to choke the trade. If the trade is running in 10% profit, then max you want to move it up to is bulletproof. You don't want to move it into like 5% profit because the difference between 5% and 10% is 5 and that you're not giving price enough room to move and breathe. Because as you know, it will correct. It will impulse and correct while you're in the trade. So if you don't want to be taken out prematurely, before the trade continues in your original trade direction, then give it at least 10% of breathing room. Because 10% typically moves 5 to 10% in a day. So yeah, basically you don't want to choke it, okay? And one more thing. It was not a good time to have been buying dips, sorry. So like I was showing you on WorldCoin, for example, For ADA, how's H-bar? H-bar, it was looking good and ultimately, nope, failed. See, hit 50% from the underside, failed, just kept falling. So these are the dips you don't want to be buying because they keep dipping and you keep stabbing yourself in the hand. You don't want to be catching falling knives. So hopefully this has been a good learning experience for all of you here. That it's like, yeah, you don't want to be buying every dip. It's not been a good time to do that. With alts down so low, it has been really bad, a really bad time, tough time.